My name is Cathy Freeth. I'm National Operations Manager for SECUREClean. When we made the decision to purchase the TASKI SWINGOBOT2000, I was quite excited. SECUREClean have had previous experience in the robotic field. However, we were looking for a partner that could provide us with a more state-of-the-art unit and continue servicing and support throughout our journey. With Diversey, we found that partner. Our first rollout was carried out in New South Wales in 2017. Then we've successfully rolled out another 7 units across New South Wales and our Victorian portfolio. We were pleased with the ongoing 24-hour support which we received from Diversey. This assisted in reducing any downtime. I see the benefits of using robotic cleaning machines in the retail industry and believe that the demand will grow. The TASKI SWINGOBOT2000 is definitely the way of the future.